So turbo off last night with Josh. He helped me.
Filming too, dude.
Yeah, I was explaining. We took turbo off and manifold off.
I'll just send you the clips here. You can insert your clips right here. All right. Yeah, boys. Here, you want me to take your thumbnail right here? Here's your thumbnail, Kota. All right, it's leaking. Get this thing away from me. I'm not dressed for this, bro. Dang, looks good. A little bit of play, a lot of bit of play. Oh.
I'm leaving to Utah to grab my R32 GTR that I've been storing it. I just sold it.
It's gone.
It's gone.
You sold it.
And buyer's in California, so I can deliver it to him.
Yep. I want to go with Kota, but I have kids. I can't be making 8-hour trips to Utah. But he'll be back in a couple days to finish the Soarer. We ended up selling the GTR 4 to asking price. I don't know if you guys follow Barron's Garage, but it sold in what, in 1 day, Kota?
Yeah, about 1 day.
About 1 day.
24 hours.
Well, we won't be able to show it on the channel. We'll maybe grab some clips from Kota of that immaculate GTR. Take some clips for me, please. I want to show them how nice that thing is.
Yeah.
You guys won't believe how good his GTR is in Utah. So he's gonna get out of here.
Peace out.
Peace out, bro.
Peace out.
See you later, buddy.
Going to work.
I'll be sitting right here until you get back.
Okay. Alright, I'm back in Utah with DK. He's letting me ride his mountain bikes. And we got his, is it gnarly? Trail?
Oh, it's so gnarly.
I'm riding on a KHS, this mountain bike. It's like $5,000. Baller mountain bike. And this one's, what is it? Adjust? YT.
Electric bike.
Electric bike. Assist. Gnarly. How much?
8,000.
8,000, bro. This guy's baller.
Please, get a shot of the truck. Get a shot of the truck.
This guy just balls out.
Get a shot of the truck.
Why?
2003, that's 10.
Utah Mountain, guys.
That's where the racetrack is.
Oh, yeah. Out in country. Secret location.
Secret location.
Mobbing and stand. We are on the trail where we could see from the highway. I'm out of breath.
Not me.
He's on electronic.
It's turned off.
Yeah, right?
It's like a fan bike.
We got like what, 5 more miles?
Yeah, 5 more miles.
Let's go. Yeah, we're all the way up here now from down there. Gnarly climb.
Remember the brakes. So I was changing the brake pads on the van when I disassembled the last one. This showed up. Whole piston is destroyed. Oh, I don't know how this happened. Maybe one of the bolt was loose before. This van has 300,000 miles, so anything could happen. Whoa, I'm leaving to Cali later today, loading up my R32 GTR. I just went to the part shop and they had brand new caliper. So I'm gonna install this and we're back on the road. New caliper is on. I just gotta bleed it. Should be good to go. He finished putting it all back together. Ready to go to my shop and head to Cali. I'll show you guys my GTR and gonna load it up on my trailer. So I'm at the shop. Here's my R32 GTR 1991. Well, I gotta do some B-roll. GTR is all loaded up. Nice and secure. Oh, gonna head back to Cali and selling this thing tomorrow. Back in California. I got yachts. Well, last night safely made it.
You sure did.
Back to Cali with GTR. Robbie and Eot's gonna come with me. Bodyguard. Okay, see you guys later.
There's no side thing to hold on to.
Go, go, go! Go, go. Yeah, we're
Yes, B-roll.
on the B-roll. Oh, it's not B-roll.
What's happening?
Yeah, so I'll take you guys to our business trip of the day.
Yeah.
At your mom's house.
At your mom's house.
We're going to your mom's house.
We made it to the new owner. You guys have a cool Hondas.
Oh, I know, right? It's like perfect for like little cars and stuff. We got like a little bit of space. Finding a GTR with this many miles, so hard, but you're not gonna find it.
He was actually going to ship it back to Japan because something like this will go over.
Yeah, especially when the price is only going up. It's exactly.
Dang, you're good at cranking it.
Yeah. You taught me.
Pretty sick, dude.
Behind the camera or what?
Yeah, man. Hand me the camera, that's cool. I don't have to do nothing.
Yeah, exactly.
Brand new.
Every once in a while you'll hear like knocking on it, but that's normal.
It's just normal. Like,
Yeah, it's normal.
probably the weather.
Were you expecting this?
I'm not at all, to be honest. This is a lot cleaner than
You
I
expecting?
was expecting for sure.
Well, yeah,
It actually lives up to the true miles. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
they got so many rockers. I built this one before with GY6 150cc motor. Slammed and stretched.
Where's it at now? I
So
can't
that-
see it. What kind of wheels are these? What?
They're actually RC Renasports. They were originally 15-inch. I had them cut the face out, custom, stepped it up to 16.
Dang.
Baby.
So nice to ride around here.
It's so perfect. The coast is like literally a couple miles away, and that's where we go.
You guys are on. Oh my gosh, look at the price. That's so cool.
Oh, GY6.
How are we getting
Damn, bro.
more stuff, man?
You already know.
Honda. Here's all your Honda content, guys. You should start a YouTube like right now.
Bro.
Hey, bro, I have enough content.
You guys start YouTube, but you guys
The Honda content.
Bro.
What?
Guess what wheel he has?
Rebuilt.
Oh, what?
Mugen, bro.
Originally-
Tomorrow?
No, these actually got built by someone else, but these were originally 14-inch, stepped up to 15s, and I got the original lug cap covers and the center caps as well.
The covers are so mean.
Makes a big difference with those little small covers on. Interior is all original. There was only 300 of the tan exclusive interior made.
I've never seen.
Oh, look. CRX. Look at that.
And
Exclusive.
this one's actually California registered, or actually it was converted, so it was California right-hand drive blue tag, and it's barred K20.
No
Yeah,
way.
it's a show right now, but it's all
Barred
barred.
K20.
Yes,
What's
sir.
that?
So it's legal, bro.
100% legal.
Look at that seat.
Legal swap.
CRX exclusive.
This is the craziest thing I've seen in a while. What the?
That's definitely a little project that I'm working on.
We signed the deal. You're not the owner.
No.
He's buying it for his.
We are actually buying it for our brother as a late birthday gift, and I just want to give a shout out to these two for being such real fucking people and not being like fucking scammers or nothing. These people know their shit, you know what I mean? If you ever need a fucking car, hit these motherfuckers up. They're the fucking ones to go to for sure. Yeah.
Alright, boys.
Well, anyway, we'll take care.
Yes.
Hey, what should we go eat?
Kota the Yoda. Kota the Yoda.
30 years. It's 92, so it's about to be 22.
What, the car?
For the car.
It's a 30-year-old car.
30 years old.
20-something thousand miles still.
Yeah.
Fuck, that's fucking crazy.
Never got drove.
Yeah.
There's not one more out there, I don't think.
All these freaking veggies been first.
We came to Gyukaku. Eating good.
Oh yeah.
Wait, who just showed up? Who just showed up?
His name's Randy or something.
What's up?
Yeah.
You look buff, bro.
Thanks, I've been in the gym for you guys.
Yeah. Like a couple days ago, I FaceTimed him. He was in gym. You're in my
So
gym.
I could pick up Kota. What are you guys doing today? Kota was working on.
I was working on Sora.
Me and Robert just messing around.
Huh?
What'd you say?
Well, I forgot to explain. What was that?
I farted and then we got distracted. That's great. He said, "What was that?" Can I have some?
Randy's here, but we were originally going to drifting this weekend, but
No, not anymore.
not anymore. We're chilling.
I'm buying Randy's suit.
No, you're not. You would never buy Z.
Kota's buying it. Yeah.
It's almost prepped. Just doing little, just doing spot putties. And I'll be painting it tomorrow. Stay tuned. I think it will be clean. Yeah, we're drifting on Tuesday now.
Then I'll see you on Tuesday, buddy.
Take it over the weekend if you ain't busy. Yeah, shit. Someone see you, buddy?
Damn, hey, Kota, you can kiss you. All right,
See
brother.
you Tuesday.
I'll see you later.
Robbie ain't shit, bro.
Is the shit. Thanks for
Alright,
having me.
Kota. Boom. See you later, player.
I'll see you in person. Enjoy, have a safe trip.